Speaking to the medical superintendent of the RML hospital in Delhi, Dr. Nandini Dugal. Ma'am, first of all, please explain to us and assuage our apprehensions, because COVID is increasing across the country. Delhi is also looking at a lot of cases. What is the situation with hospitalizations at the moment?
At the moment, there is a good news that we don't have too many hospitalizations. Only 1 or 2 cases who require, hospitalization. The cases are not that severe. So we are getting cases which come with mild symptoms like cough, cold, fever, sore throat, and they can be managed symptomatically. And we haven't had any severe cases as yet.
Ma'am, is there a reason that we are looking at a little different scenario with respect to hospitalizations this time? Because in other countries like the US, United Kingdom as well, and other countries like France, they have witnessed a spike in hospitalizations as in an Omicron infections have increased.
One basic cause of this could be that we are very well vaccinated. So vaccine helps, in tackling this disease. So the people who are vaccinated, they will get a milder disease. That is it. So that's why we are getting milder disease, because most of our adults are vaccinated. And especially this virus is attenuated, it is a changed virus.
Right.
So because of that also, the virus, pathogenicity, that also changes. So this time we are getting a milder disease. Though we will get many cases as predicted, but we think that we'll be able to manage.
Because of the change in pathogenicity of the virus, earlier it used to attack the lungs. So we used to see increased use of oxygen. Is that something that seems to be happening at the moment or not?
At the moment we are not seeing such cases, but we don't know. We can't predict what will happen in the future days. It depends on how many cases we get, and especially with adults or children, if they are affected with some comorbid conditions, we may require oxygen, but we are all prepared now in the hospitals with the oxygen.
Ma'am, my last question, what is your preparation for children especially? Because vaccination of children is now happening, and they are also a category that's not being vaccinated to protect themselves from infections. So how robust is the preparation here for children if they get infected?
For children, we have started the immunization drive, as you said, from today. The government has started that, and 15 to 18 years of children will be getting vaccinated. That is one step. Other step is, in the hospital we have been preparing ourselves for the third wave, and third wave meant that it will affect the children more because they are not immunized. They haven't got vaccinated.
Right.
So we have special beds for children. We have ICUs for children, which we are getting geared up for that, and in case we get such cases, we'll be able to look into it.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us, ma'am. And as the cases rise, we could look at hospitalization, but it's very important to note also, not everybody requires hospitalization since cases are mild. A lot of cases are asymptomatic and they can be treated at home. With Premchand Mishra in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.